Hello everyone, welcome to another Picsart tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to change color in your Picsart. So to do it, open up your Picsart account, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and what next you need to do is log in. Once you're logged in, you need to go ahead and access the permissions. Then you could go with the photos. So tap the plus icon and then locate the photo. Now I'm going to go ahead and select the particular image for which I'm going to go ahead and change the color. Now that you've opened up the particular image, what you need to do is click the effects button at the bottom and swipe to the color section at the bottom. Find a list of options available. Now if you want to go ahead and change the color, select the particular color where you want to go ahead and change it. Now you could go ahead and drag the cursor, and if you want to make changes with your size or the settings, you can do that by going to this. And you could also go ahead and change the color like this, and this way you can change the color. When you actually change the color, what you also want to do is you need to change the motion or the settings as well, so that it's not looking obvious that you've applied or that you've changed the color. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.